The circulation is of a single circuit system in fishes. The least amount of urea is carried by the renal vein. Sinus tachycardia is a condition in which pulse rate is about 100 beats per minute. Rise in blood sugar level above normal is hyperglycemia. The white blood corpuscles and macrophages present in lymph node remove bacteria and foreign bodies from the blood. The function of spleen in mammal is as a hemopoietic tissue. Lymph differs from the blood in the absence of erythrocytes. Purkinje fibers are specialized muscle fibers in the heart. The lymphocytes protect from pathogens. Hemoglobin is found dissolved in the plasma of earthworm. Which of the following is correct? Efferent atriole is narrower than afferent atriole. The power of resistance to disease is called immunity. The regular cycle of contraction in the heart is called systole. The condition known as heart block results in alteration of the rate of heartbeat. An intervertebra with closed circulatory earthworm. Thromboplastin facilitates conversion of prothrombin to thrombin. The coagulation of blood occurs due to change of fibrinogen into network of fibrin. A vein differs from an artery in having valves to control direction of blood flow towards the heart. Blood pressure is the pressure exerted by the flow of blood on the arteries. In vertebrates, thrombin is important for clotting of blood. A person with both A and B antibodies in the plasma and no antigen in RBC belong to the blood group O. An antigen is a stimulus for antibody formulation. The ECG method is needed to detect abnormalities in the heart for both of these, heart attack and heart block. The opening of the right auricle into right ventricle is guarded by tricuspid valve. Which of the following would causes an increase in total blood volume in our body? Excess salt intake. Spleen and lymph node have both A and B. B cells only, T cells only. Blood group A contains antigen A and antibody B. Blood leaving the lungs is rich in oxygen. An antibody is a protein molecule. SA node is found in heart. The largest artery in the body is aorta. Formation of RBC in a normal human adult occurs in bone marrow. To store blood, some anticoagulant is added. It can be sodium oxalate. The blood vessels which are supplied with two sets of nerves which causes vasocontraction and vasodilations are arteries only. Venous heart is present in elasmobranches. The heart rate of a normal adult man can increase to in vigorous exercise 200 beats per minute. The cells having immunological memory are both A and B, T lymphocytes and B lymphocytes. Epinephrine causes the relaxation of the walls of atriole serving the skeletal muscles. The thickest walls in the following is seen in left ventricle. Natural immunity is a condition obtained by inheritance from one parent. The blood platelets are the source of thromboplastin. Glucose level in the blood of a healthy person is 1 gram per liter. Red colored blood contains hemoglobin is not found in earthworm. The vessels which supply blood to heart is coronary artery. The plasma protein concerned with immunity are gamma globin. Which of the following blood pigmentation contains copper? Hemocyanin. The diastolic blood pressure in a healthy person is less than systolic pressure. The bulk of carbon dioxide is carried in the venous blood in the form of bicarbonates. Iron-free compound of hemoglobin is globin.